In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete pages in Adobe Acrobat. So to do this, you first want to open your document, then you want to go to the top left here and you want to click on this thumbnails menu, so page thumbnails, and then you'll be able to see all your pages in here. So to delete them, you could either click on a page and then click on this delete button up top and click on OK, and it's going to delete that specific page. However, there's also easier ways. So if I go and just basically copy this page over here just to have three, you could also go inside organized pages where things are much easier and much more logical. So go to organized pages. Again, you could click on any of these pages and then the trash can icon, and it's going to delete that page when you click on OK. Or you could do selections. So I can select these two, for example, or like all of them like this, delete them, press OK, and that's it. So I'm going to press OK right now. You could also do like this. You can press individual ones while holding down your control key on your keyboard. So if you have like multiple, you could go and just basically click and then hold the control key and click on all of the ones you want to select. And of course, that way you can delete those. Or you can do like a range. So click on the first one in the range and then hold down the shift key this time, the last one, and it's going to select that range of your pages. And then you can just basically click on the delete button up top, press OK, and it's going to delete those pages from your document. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.